What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious quinoa recipe today. We're going to be using a whole bunch of veggies as always. It's going to be super flavorful and spicy. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Alright, so here is the ingredients that we're using for this quinoa recipe. I have some baby portobellos that I basically just cut down the middle and sliced in thin slices. This is about 2 cups of baby portobellos. 1 diced Roma tomato. About 3 cloves of minced garlic and about 1 tablespoon of minced fresh ginger. I'm using smoked hot paprika. This is a hot paprika product that's got like hot chilies in it. It's a little bit spicy. So if you don't like heat, just use regular smoked paprika if you got it. I'll be sauteing with extra virgin organic olive oil. I have some white cooking wine, and this is to give a little bit of like that bitter wine taste to the recipe. Some sweet peppers. These are diced, about 1/4 cup. 4 cups of quinoa. This has been washed and drained. 1 cup of minced red onion. Garam masala seasoning. And about a 1/4 cup of diced fire roasted bell pepper. And that's basically all the ingredients. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our quinoa and we're going to put it into a 2-to-1 water, which is 8 cups of water for these 4 cups of quinoa. And then we're going to go over to our pot and start sauteing our aromatics. Alright, so here I have the olive oil, 1 tablespoon. I have my onions and garlic, the aromatics, and then I put the mushrooms in here. I actually have forgot to hit the record button, but that's what's in here so far. Thankfully we didn't go too far with the recipe, or it would have been a disaster. We have the tomatoes now. This has been about 3 minutes cooking together. Those ingredients, the aromatics with the mushrooms, just till they soften up. Now we're going to add the tomato and the peppers. And our quinoa is cooking right now. I put it down to a simmer, about 15 to 20 minutes. It should have evaporated all the water out, and we'll be able to add it back in. Look at all the beautiful colors in this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of cooking wine in here. Now we're going to add in about 1 tablespoon of garam masala. About 1/2 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Give it a nice stir. Let the spices penetrate that base of flavor. Allow the aroma to blend together really nicely. Alright, so we have our beautiful base here, and our quinoa just got done cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and take it over, and I'm gonna dump it right in. Now we're gonna go ahead and fold in the quinoa. Mix everything nice and thoroughly, and taste for salt. Bring down the heat a little bit, medium low. We just want to marry all of these beautiful flavors together. Guys, it smells amazing right now. These beautiful spices. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the lid on this pot. Let it go for about 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes. A medium-low heat, 175 degrees. So it evaporates the rest of the moisture and it becomes nice and fluffy, and then we'll be ready to serve. Alright guys, this is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and serve it. It looks beautiful. Really like how it smells, it turned out. I'm going to go ahead and serve it and give it a taste for you guys, let you know how it came out. Alright, so here is our beautiful quinoa. Came out really, really nice. Smells amazing, like I said. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with some some coriander or cilantro. Just going to throw some over the top there, give it a little bit of freshness and color. And that's basically our dish. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Remember to hit the bell so you get updates when we upload new videos. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give this quinoa a try. It looks amazing. Wow. The first flavor I get is the cardamom, and that's one of the ingredients that's in the masala. I'm also getting that smoked paprika flavor, the cilantro. The mushrooms are nice and meaty. The quinoa separated really, really well. It's tender. Wow. It's such an amazing, tasty recipe, and it's loaded with so many nutrients. You can't go wrong.